Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to attempt to make a keychain wall plaque for our RV using this piece of alder. I went online and got a picture of our RV and just tried to make a silhouette out of it and then put adventure weights. So I'm going to take this picture and transfer it manually using some carbon paper, and then we'll carve it with the router. So now I'm going to start with transferring the image on the wood with the carbon paper. So I've cut it and put it onto the board. Now I'll start tracing it with the pencil. I'll do the straight lines with the ruler. So here it is transferred on the wood. I'm not sure exactly how much detail I'll do. I'll start with the outside and see what it looks like. Now I'll get started with carving it with the router. Oh, here it is carved out. I'll just do some cleanup and then spray paint it, see what it looks like. I think I won't bother with too much more detail. I think it looks pretty good. We'll do the painting next. I put a little bit of tape just to prevent some of the overspray, have a little bit less sanding after. So I'm just using some flat black primer. Shake it well. And just light coats of paint. Try to get it in all the cracks. And we'll let that dry and we'll sand it. Paint is dry now, so now it's just time to sand it. Now I'll just use the air compressor to blow the dust. And there it is. Next step will be to put some poly on it and then add some hooks. So I bought some of these over the door hangers. This fits perfectly in our RV, so it's useful for a lot of things. And I just took two of them and flattened them out. Might cut them a little bit, and then these will go in the back so that it can hang it up. And I think I might just put a little groove so they're not sticking out at all, and then drill some holes to screw them in. We'll do that next. Now I'll just apply some poly on it. We'll let that first coat dry and apply 2 more coats. I've applied 3 coats of poly on it, so now I'm ready to install the hardware. I'll start with these brackets for the back to hang it. Just going to put it slightly below so you can't see it, just using 2 screws. The alder is soft wood, so it shouldn't be any problem just putting it in. There it is with the brackets attached to hang. Next step will be to put in the hooks for the keys. I have these hooks which I purchased on Amazon a while back. So I think I'm going to put 5, so that'll mean 1 in the center and then 2 on each side. I think that's a good spacing. I think we need more than 5. They'll be far enough apart. So I'll start with the first one, measure the halfway point. So just a slight over 10. Set around 5. Put in the first one. Comes with small screws. I think I just might use the punch to get it started. So there's the first one, and I'll continue with the other 4. Two and 4 from the center. 2 and 4 from the center. Have it nice and square. So here it is with all the hooks. Now we're ready to try it in the RV. I'm now in the RV, so now with these hooks I can place it anywhere around the front here. So I'll just start right here, so it just goes in there nicely. And we can hook our keys. Enough room for 5 sets of keys, so I think this will do just fine. These are the hooks as they come, where we can hook up our hats or anything we want. This concludes this video for the keychain wall plaque for our RV. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching and hope to see you again soon. Bye.